Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Well, we started things off a little wet this morning. We had a cold front work its way through. Ahead of it, we had some rainfall. Behind it, we see some high pressure building in. That will work to now clear us up, clear up the rainfall, and then the cloud cover. So all in all, the second half of the day should be looking pretty nice, and we should even start to see some sun in these morning hours as well. Let's take a look at our futurecast model, and you can see, yep, here goes the rain, I should say, and the clouds as well. So you see by the afternoon, we're really starting to see a significant clear up. So second half of the day should definitely be better than the first half, and it sets up a really nice weekend as well. So what do the numbers look like? Because technically this was a cold front that worked its way through. We're still going to be up in the upper 70s, so that is the good news. 77 for Sarasota, Venice, and Inglewood, 79 for Northport and Punta Gorda, 73 Boca Grande this afternoon, and 75 on Longboat Key. State numbers, well, in Orlando, if you're heading to any of the attractions there, 81 today, 85 for West Palm, 83 Fort Myers, 82 Key West, and 75 in Tally today. Boaters, the morning not so great because still some showers and thunderstorms on the Gulf. Winds out of the north at 15 knots. Seas will be 3 to 5 feet. It's choppy, and your water temperature, if you're heading to the beach today, is 74 degrees. So the water temperature is up. That's good news, especially since the afternoon should be nicer to get out along the shoreline. Now, as for our national picture, not so nice anywhere along the eastern seaboard. Seeing a lot of activity going on right here. So summer-like weather is over for the northeast today. Much cooler. We're looking at some scattered showers and thunderstorms again along the eastern seaboard. But behind this, also, we're looking at some nice clearing conditions. So Midwest and South, basically either partly cloudy to mostly sunny today, but again, temperatures just a little bit cooler, and nothing of really note to talk about in the Pacific Northwest or the West today. So that is some good news. They've been pretty eventful over the past week. A lot of snow, a lot of rain still. Actually, today, the numbers look like this: 62 in Denver, 54 Billings, 86 for Phoenix, 68 Atlanta. But the number many are concerned with is 71. 71 today at the 2010 Masters in Augusta, Georgia. We're looking at a northwest wind at 7 to 11 miles per hour. Tigers' tee time, by the way, is 10:35 this morning, and weekend play looks great. Sunny skies in Augusta for the next several days. Well, our rainfall today should affect this. I put the pollen mold counts in. These pollen mold counts were taken before the rainfall, so the rainfall should be working on this very high tree pollen count. But I put it in because I want everyone to know that we're low for the weed category today. We've been moderate for the past week or so, so at least we're going down to one category before the rainfall. I'll adjust this at the noon hour when I get the new figures in, but low for mold and low for grass as well. So it can only get better from here. Now, as far as our day is concerned, we're looking at some clearing going on throughout from this point on. Today, we're going to be warm, high of 77 degrees. And as for this evening, partly cloudy, and we're going to be low of 63. Let's take a look at the next 6 days ahead. Your weekend looking really wonderful. We're looking at temperatures in the 80s with plenty of sunshine. And look at this, the next several days beyond that, 80s as well, and plenty of sun. That's a look at your forecast. Thanks for logging on to Herald-Tribune.com.